Welcome to today's episode of Dear Parents. We are exploring how coding enhances children's learning in science and social studies. In science, kids can use coding languages like Scratch to stimulate experiments like growing virtual plants, collect and analyze data from real-world activities. They can also create models of natural processes like the water cycle or solar system, making learning interactive and hands-on. In social studies, coding allows students to create interactive timelines of historical websites and develop interactive maps to visualize populations and resources with Python. Coding makes learning engaging and fun, helping kids understand and retain information better. Tune in next week for more insights on Dear Parents. Thank you.